Hi, I'm Bryson.
Hi, I'm Ella.
Hi, I'm Albert.
And we're from Mochi Foods. Our company specializes in mochi products.
Mochi Foods Hawaii is a small local women-owned company that specializes in different mochi premixes, and we are very excited to be a part of OluKai's Anywhere Local Friday series. So follow along for a few different brunch recipes.
We're going to be making mochi waffles. These 8-ounce bags come in 3 different flavors: original, banana, and coconut.
Making these mochi waffles are really easy, and they're really good at feeding, families, just for having friends over, and just for brunch. So the ingredients are very simple. So you need a cup and a half of our mochi waffle mix. Next up, what you want to put in is 1 whole egg, a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, and then a whole cup of milk. And feel free to double, triple this recipe. Yeah, you can make 1 8-ounce bag makes around 5 mochi waffles. So yeah, feel free to add more.
So you're going to want to mix this for a minute on high, and that's it. So we're gonna cook the waffles now. You want to make sure your waffle iron is well oiled. You can get an ice cream scooper and just scoop out onto your iron. You're gonna want to cook these for about a minute or until golden brown. Once your waffles are golden brown, they are ready for toppings.
So you can, at home, just get any fruits that you have. We have strawberries, blueberries, and bananas. And yeah, just chop those up and you can put it, on these waffles. So how we can start off is, put some bananas on here. And then just add some strawberries. And blueberries. Top it with whipped cream. Oh yeah, it's the good stuff. Last but not least, some maple syrup, because you can't go wrong with maple syrup. And yeah, that's how you make mochi waffles.
Now we're going to be making our gluten-free pancake mix. Our 8-ounce bags come in chocolate magnut, banana magnut, and also original.
Thank you, Bryson. So for this recipe, we're using 3/4 cup of our gluten-free mochi mix. 1/4 cup milk, 1 egg, and 1/8 cup of vegetable oil. And we're mixing wet and dry ingredients for how long, Bryson?
1 minute.
1 minute.
On the high.
Perfect.
So you're going to want to make sure your grill is nice and oiled. Any spoon or ice cream scooper. You're going to want to cook this for a minute or until golden brown.
Can we do another one? I want one too. Thank you. I know.
Can you smell the rice cooking?
Oh yeah. Okay, I think it's ready. Now I'm just putting my favorite toppings. And a bit of maple syrup.
Thank you for making the recipes with us today. If you want to find out more information about our company, recipes, or more products, visit our website at www.mochifoods.com.
We love to collaborate with new businesses, so please feel free to leave a message on our website or check out our social media. Thank you for watching.